Yes.
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It is actually beautiful outside. Look, we are actually getting spring weather for like once. I am so hoping it will stay like that for Liberty Fit today. I'm hoping. Anyways, good morning. It is Tuesday, the 18th. It is day 1392. And today for Liberty Fit, we are doing 40 minutes. It is week 9, so we're starting week 9 today. And I want to give a huge shout out / congratulations to Miss Jenkins, our coach, because she ran the Boston Marathon. And she did it in like 4 hours something. And yeah, so congratulations to her. I'm giving her all my love and support, and I'm so excited for her to be back so she could tell us how her race went from her perspective and everything like that. But congratulations, and also good morning, guys. The longest moment when you're waiting for your thing to pop out of the toaster and you're like, is it done yet? Is it done yet? Is it done yet? Alright, guys, it is time to go. So we're walking. Here comes a walking montage. I hope you guys don't find those boring. I think they're really fun to make the time pass, like in between time. Have the walking montage. I think it's fun, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. Anyways, here we go, walking montage. Alright, guys, we are back. It is now lunchtime. We're gonna eat some lunch. We have Liberty Fit today. I think I mentioned that. I'm really excited about Liberty Fit today. I'm excited for my 15K. A little nervous, but excited. But I'm gonna try and do some kind of cool, like, little running montage type of thing for our race. So yeah, expect that in coming soon. And tell me some other things that you guys would like to see at the Falcon 15K that maybe I didn't catch on film last year. Tell me that in the comments below, and we will see if we can include it in the vlog. So much for the nice weather, you guys. Holy crap. Well then. I think I caught it, like, on camera. I was trying, I can't get this stupid thing. Hold on, guys. There we go. I think I caught it on camera, but it just really loudly thundered, too. Hold on a second, guys. This part might be a little all over the place because I'm trying to keep it filming to see if it should thunder again. There. Jesus. See up this really quick. Whoa! I like how it's completely raining, thundering, hailing in fact, and then right over there is just a patch of sun, like, right there. Crazy weather. So you guys, it is legitimately hailing, thundering, lightning, raining right now. It's hailing outside. Oh, did you see that? That was lightning. Okay, we totally got jinxed today because it was sunny and beautiful, and I was really excited about having like a good Liberty Fit, and now it's hailing. It's hailing, not raining, hailing. It's hailing, raining, thundering, and lightning right now. I just find this kind of funny. Just how bad it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was trying to get the shot, but okay. Now you can see it. There you can see the giant hailstorm. And sun. And for right now, the hailstorm is over. It's sunny and nice right now. It's not raining. It looks like it's raining over there, but I think that's from our gutters, because it doesn't look like it's raining over here, and it stopped hailing. So, got some interesting weather today. Oregon weather is like that though. It's like sunny 1 second. Look at this. Now it's beautiful out right now. Wet, but beautiful out. That's how Oregon weather is. So it's beautiful 1 second, downpouring the next second, hailing the next second, and lightning and thunder, and then sunny. Yeah, anyways, crazy weather today. Again. Hang on for dear life.
That's not possible.
Hang on, little bug, hang on.
Unless you're like scaling around.
Hey, get off my window. Get off my window. Get off my window. There you go. Good bug.